Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video we got Polito the Great. He's about to open up the new package that we got going on. Go ahead, Polito, open the package. Go ahead, open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Come on, please. Open up the package. Come on. Let's go. Help me. Help me. Help me. Yeah, open it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good boy. You got this, Polito. Come on. Let's go, Polito. Polito. Hey, do not eat the cardboard. Open the door. Open the package. Not the door. Open the package. Open the package. Yeah. 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 There you go. You're making progress. Good boy. You got this. I'm going to give you a treat after this. Come on. You're going to have to work for it. Come on. Come on. You're going to have to work for it. Come on. Come on. Hurry up. You got this. There you go. You're almost there. You're almost there. There you go. Go, 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 go. 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 There you go. Go, go. Good boy. Yay. Yay. No. Get the, open the box. You know. Apollo. 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 Polito. Open the box. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Go, Polito. Go. You're almost there. Go. 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 You got this. Go. Go. You're almost at the finish line. Go. Open the box. Keep going. Keep going. Get angry if you have to. Go. Go. Apollo. No distractions. Open the box. There you go. Good boy. Go, go. Keep going. Apollo. Ay, ay, ay. There you go. All right. All right. Okay. All right. Guys, this is how you know if you guys have a great product. If it can withstand a pittbull, then it's a great product. This is how I test the durability factor on the things that I purchase. Good boy. Good boy. Yay. Guys, so there you have it. You got the brand new antenna from hntenna. This is the black version. I like it because it's kind of stealth. And now we're gonna go mine HNT. And if you guys like videos like this, unboxing videos like this, make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe so we can watch Apollo open up the next package. Hey, give me this. Give me this. We don't want you to get hurt. Hey, we don't want you to get hurt. Okay? Open up the other bag. There you go. But yeah, stay tuned for the next unboxing, unveiling, and for Polito to open up the next package. All right.